I always wanted to live in the US, and because my sister was living here and I fell in love with Bozeman, I wanted to bring something that we did not have here before. Our bakery is unique because we are importing the flour from France, the butter from France, coffee is roasted in Paris. Some of the chocolate that we are having at the bakery too, we are baking with, is from France, and that is making a big difference. At Café Aurore, we are serving the baked goods that we baked at Aurore French Bakery, and we are bringing them to the cafe every morning. When visiting Bozeman, you can go for breakfast, lunch, a snack or dinner anywhere here on Main Street or around, and you will find very good quality food, just made with love. The chefs here are very in tune with who they are using the ingredients from and how they want to present that in your plates, and I really love the care that they have.
Ever since I was little, food has played a major role in my life. My first dream job always was to own a restaurant and be a chef. So I was always in the kitchen with my mom, cooking. Korean food for me has always been an important part of my life. Being a Korean American, I was adopted from Korea when I was 3. So I've always had a passion for Korean food, finding those flavors. So it turned into something that I just love to share with other people. So our primary dish here is called bibimbap. It is a bowl of fresh steamed rice with several different seasoned vegetables on the side. Often comes with a meat or protein and then a fried egg. Gochujang sauce, which is this fermented pepper paste sauce, which just has this really lovely, spicy umami flavor to it. The Bozeman food scene here is really incredible just because I love food, not just Korean food. So it's exciting for me to be able to have all of these incredible restaurants. For visitors visiting Bozeman, Montana, make sure you check out the side streets. There's a lot of hidden gems on there, just 1 block off of Main.
I come from a long line of restaurateurs. I'm 3rd generation. My grandfather started with a supper club and hotel in Wisconsin, dating back from 1932. Then I have other photos of my parents who took over his supper club and motel. So I learned a lot through that family tradition. That'll show when you come into Fresco. It's definitely a family experience. This is a Scratch Italian restaurant, and by being Scratch, we make the ravioli in-house, the Italian sausage in-house. By being locally sourced, we get our beef from Muddy Creek Ranch over in Wilsall, and when available, we get local produce, but that comes and goes here in Montana. We focus on the traditional Italian menu items, so it's bolognese, pesto, ravioli, homemade marinara with anchovies. So we get a lot of mileage making our food from scratch. When a tourist stumbles upon Fresco, it's really fun because they're like, oh, we didn't know you were back here, and this creek is quite nice. Once the garage doors open, we'll be pouring rosé and watching the stream flow by and watching the trees bloom.
At the bakery, we say that we are here to make your life sweeter, 1 croissant at a time. And in French, it will be on embellit votre vie, croissant après croissant. Bon appétit!
맛있어요. 감사합니다.